Wylfa nuclear power plant plans move forward, creating Anglesey jobs. The UK's first small nuclear power station is set to be built in North Wales, bringing a wave of positive change to the region. A new era for Anglesey. The Wylfa plant, located on the northern coast of Anglesey, will house the UK's first 3 small modular reactors, SMRs, with potential for up to 8. This ambitious project is expected to commence construction next year, aiming to generate power by the mid-2030s. Economic boost and political support. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer emphasised the significance of this development, stating that Britain's nuclear power leadership was at risk due to years of neglect. He vowed to change this, and the news was warmly received by First Minister Eluned, who had been advocating for Wylfa's benefits. The project, backed by a £2.5 billion investment from the UK government, will power approximately 3 million homes. It will be constructed by Great British Energy Nuclear, a publicly owned entity. Small modular reactors, a game changer. SMRs, a fraction of the size of traditional reactors, offer a similar electricity output. Ed Miliband, Secretary of State for Energy and Climate Change, hailed the announcement as exciting, positioning Britain in the race for new reactors. Simon Bowen, Chair of Great British Energy Nuclear, emphasised the project's historical significance, envisioning a fleet-based approach to nuclear development. Local support and future prospects. Anglesey Councillor Gary Pritchard expressed optimism, highlighting the project's potential for long-term economic prosperity. The company has also been tasked with identifying sites for another large-scale nuclear power plant, similar to those at Hinkley Point and Sizewell. Controversy and counterpoints. Despite the enthusiasm, the decision to opt for SMRs has faced criticism. US Ambassador Warren Stevens expressed disappointment, advocating for large-scale plants. Industry expert Professor Simon Middleburg described SMRs as the nuclear equivalent of an Ikea chair, built in factories and shipped to the site. Challenges and environmental concerns. However, opponents argue that Anglesey needs investment in renewable energy schemes. Dylan Morgan, from People Against Wylfa B, criticised the proposed SMRs as unnecessarily large and unproven. The project must navigate regulatory approval, factory construction, and workforce training. Political implications and future outlook. The announcement carries significant political weight, especially with the upcoming Senedd election. Eluned Morgan's efforts to balance Welsh and UK Labour interests are notable. The project's success hinges on addressing challenges and harnessing the potential of nuclear power, while also addressing environmental concerns and economic needs.